Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The 360-degree camera market is heating up, and the anticipated Insta360 X5 is poised to be a major player. With DJI's Osmo 360 entering the fray and GoPro's delayed Max 2 release leaving a void, the question arises. Could the Insta360 X5 spell trouble for GoPro's dominance in the action camera market? Understanding the 360 degrees camera landscape. The core of any camera lies in its sensor, and the Insta360 X5 is rumored to feature a significant leap forward. A 1-inch sensor for a 360 degrees camera. This is a substantial upgrade, promising superior light sensitivity for improved low-light performance and sharper, more detailed images. The current X4 already impresses with its ability to capture 72-megapixel 360 degrees photos and 18-megapixel single-lens shots. An upgraded sensor would not only boost resolution but also significantly reduce noise in challenging conditions, making the X5 a powerful tool for creators pushing the boundaries of visual storytelling. What sets the X5 apart? Insta360's X-series cameras are renowned for their elongated, handheld design, a signature that distinguishes them from competitors like GoPro. The X5 is expected to retain this distinctive style with ergonomic refinements that enhance handling and usability. Unlike DJI's Osmo 360, which adopts a more traditional action camera shape, Insta360's approach prioritizes versatility and a design tailored specifically for 360 degrees photography. This focus on user-centric design solidifies the brand's identity while catering to its loyal audience. Revolutionizing audio? Audio has long been a challenge for compact cameras, particularly those designed for rugged environments. Insta360 seems determined to address this limitation with the X5 by introducing AI-powered noise reduction algorithms. This technology could effectively eliminate background noise, delivering clearer, more professional-grade audio directly from the camera. This move aligns with industry trends seen in flagship smartphones and could set a new standard for audio in action and 360 degrees cameras. If successful, the X5 would bridge the gap between visuals and sound, offering a seamless experience for creators. Reinvention. The lenses of 360 degrees cameras are inherently vulnerable due to their exposed spherical design. Insta360 tackled this issue with the X4 by introducing removable lens guards, a feature that was widely appreciated but not without its limitations. With the X5, the company is expected to refine this feature further, possibly incorporating more durable materials or even automated mechanisms for lens protection. Such innovations would resonate with users who rely on their cameras in extreme conditions, providing peace of mind and reducing maintenance costs. Software ecosystem. Insta360's edge lies not only in its hardware but also in its robust software ecosystem. From intuitive post-processing tools to AI-driven special effects, the brand has consistently outperformed competitors like GoPro in providing a seamless user experience. The X5 is likely to build upon this legacy, offering enhanced editing capabilities, seamless social media integration, and perhaps new features like reframing tools that maximize the potential of 360 degrees footage. DJI's entry into the 360 degrees market could challenge Insta360 in this area, but Insta360's well-established software advantage remains a formidable barrier for newcomers. GPS and other enhancements. GPS tracking has become a sought-after feature in action cameras, adding context to adventure footage and providing valuable metadata for creators. While GoPro has incorporated this functionality in its Hero series, Insta360 has yet to fully embrace it. The X5 might change that, integrating location tracking capabilities to appeal to outdoor enthusiasts and professional content creators alike. Additionally, the inclusion of advanced features such as trajectory visualization or mapping tools could further enhance the camera's appeal, solidifying its position as a premium offering. Efficiency and durability. Battery life and heat management are critical concerns for 360 degrees cameras, especially those used in high-performance scenarios. The X5 is expected to improve upon its predecessor's already impressive efficiency by introducing better heat dissipation technology and longer-lasting battery life. This would enable extended recording times without compromising performance, a must for professionals capturing lengthy, uninterrupted footage. Price, a strategic move? Pricing plays a critical role in determining a camera's market penetration. Insta360 has consistently positioned its X-series cameras in a competitive price bracket, offering premium features without the exorbitant cost. Although the exact pricing of the X5 remains undisclosed, analysts speculate it will hover around $450 to $500, ensuring it aligns with the budgets of both casual users and professionals. By maintaining this balance, Insta360 appears poised to capture a significant share of the market, particularly as GoPro's pricing structure has leaned toward the premium segment in recent years. Competitive analysis. The Insta360 X5 is not entering an empty field. DJI's Osmo 360 is poised to disrupt the market with a fresh take on 360-degree cameras, and GoPro's eventual Max 2 release still looms as a potential contender. However, Insta360's established reputation and proven track record in the 360-degree space give it a significant advantage. The X5's anticipated combination of cutting-edge hardware, refined software, and user-friendly design positions it as a worthy successor to the X4 and a formidable competitor to its rivals. Final thoughts. The Insta360 X5 has the potential to redefine expectations for 360-degree cameras, setting new benchmarks for quality, innovation, and value. While the full details of its release and specifications remain under wraps, the rumored features and enhancements suggest a device that could appeal to professionals and hobbyists alike. As the competition intensifies, it's clear that Insta360 is playing to win. Whether GoPro can rise to the challenge remains to be seen, but the future of 360-degree cameras has never been more exciting as more players join the party to bring the ultimate innovations.